Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam fatal error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a Steam fatal error usually happens when the client crashes due to corrupted files, outdated drivers, or conflicting software. So this can be like overlays or antiviruses, or missing system components. It can also be triggered by hardware issues or improper Steam installation. Essentially, something is stopping Steam or a game from launching or running properly, forcing it to shut down unexpectedly. So there's a few different ways how we can fix this. So the first fix is to right click on the Steam on the taskbar, so right click it and then go ahead and click on exit Steam, and it should say shutting down Steam, and then go ahead and launch Steam again. The second fix we can try is run Steam as administrator, so right click onto the Steam shortcut, go ahead and click onto run as administrator, click yes, and then what this does, this bypasses permission issues that can cause these fatal errors. Okay, the third fix is to clear Steam download cache. So reopen up Steam, make sure to sign into your account, click on the Steam logo on the top left hand corner of the page here, and then we need to click into settings. Once we're inside settings, on the left hand side, we want to look for the downloads tab, click into that, scroll down, and then go ahead and click on clear download cache. So clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So clear cache, and then this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Go ahead and click on that continue button. Okay, the fourth fix we can try is verify game file integrity. So if this error happens with a game, we want to go ahead and click onto the Steam library. Then from here, choose that game that's giving you the error. So for this demonstration, if it's Risk Global Domination, I want to go ahead and right click it, click on the properties. From here, we need to click onto installed files. And then inside of here, it says verify this game's files are installed correctly. So go ahead and click on that verify integrity of game files. And now that's going to go ahead and do its thing. Now, if we've got any overlays running, we want to go ahead and disable overlays. So now in order to do this, we need to go to the Steam logo on the top left hand corner, click into settings. From settings, look for the in-game tab. There it is there. And then under the Steam overlay, where it says enable the Steam overlay while in game, go ahead and disable that to see if that will fix the issue. Another fix we can try is run in compatibility mode. So go ahead and find your Steam application. So here it is here. So I'm going to right click it and then click into properties, not copy path, right click properties. Now from here, we need to find compatibility tab. Here it is here. And now try running it in Windows 8 and also check run this program as administrator as well. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. And then from here, we want to go ahead and run that as administrator as well. And then go ahead and click on apply. Now, if all else fails, we might need to go ahead and reinstall Steam. But before you do that, back up your Steam apps folder and then go ahead and uninstall Steam via control panel and then reinstall from steam.steampowered.com and then replace the Steam apps folder afterwards.